Hello everybody, and welcome to, like the title says, Breakfast with the Birds. Now this morning on my ride, I caught a whole bunch of birds in this tree, that fruit tree that was growing these, they look like little oranges, but they're not little oranges. So anyway, you know me, I'm always checking out nature around downtown Pomona. I've caught woodpeckers, and possums, and peacocks. And so anyway, today I caught the birds. They're just sparrows, I guess what they are, sparrows. You know, your common bird you see all over Pomona. But they were having a feast in this tree. So I took a picture and a video so you can hear these birds just going nuts over these fruits in this tree. Now they were a lot louder, but I think I kind of spooked them a little bit when I come walking up. But you could still hear these things. They were loud. They were really loud, squawking, you know. So anyway, without further ado, here is the birds, or breakfast with the birds. So, and like always, you take care, and you take care of those ones you love. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Okay, listen to these birds. I just love these. They look like little oranges. And just like that, they stop.